恭喜晒你喎！我哋係第一位衝線嘅選手啦。咁你而家心情點樣啊？
都開心啊，係啊，好玩。開頭有啲熱啦，咁跑咗10K 之後就好啲啦。係啊，繼續支持啊，出年繼續玩啦，多謝你。
No, thank you. It's one of the better races that I've done. Food was good. All the volunteers were really friendly. The checkpoints were at the right place. And yeah, really good organisation. So thank you.
In this one, yes, it's a very good race, and I would definitely come back again. A lot of fun.
Wow, thank you for your support. Thank you. 咩想同大帽山之美講呢？
繼續搞啦，咁啊繼續吸引多啲人去參加嘅比賽啦，繼續享受呢個賽道嘅樂趣啦，係啊。
OK，多謝你嘅支持啊！
Thank you for the organization. It was very well organized. We had people cheering all the way, showing us the way. The ribbon were well attached. It was really clear, and now everything is so great. So thank you very much.
蓮姐啊，你好啊，好開心見到你啊！點解你每一年都會支持呢個大帽山之美慈善越野跑活動嘅？
因為咧，我哋呢個係一個慈善山賽啦，咁多謝大家嘅支持啦。咁我哋之前呢，就係幫咗啲老人家啦，咁我哋而家再嚟就會幫助有啲特殊學習需要嘅學生，多謝大家嘅支持啦，努力加油！
好，多謝蓮姐。
Hello， 大家好，我哋係今日嘅 MC， 我叫 Christine 啦。
我係 Alan 啦。
係啦，咁我 Alan 啦，你除咗係今日活動嘅 MC 之外，仲係呢個活動嘅搞手之一嚟嘅喎。咁我有幾條問題想問下你啦。咁大帽山之美係咩嚟㗎？
大帽山之美咧，其實就係講到全香港最高嘅山啦，咁啊帶俾我哋正能量啦，因為特別蓮姐精神，即係大帽山精神就係幫得就幫。咁所以我哋都希望咧連結大帽山同埋社區啦，咁所以咧我哋希望咧就經過一個慈善嘅越野賽籌到嘅款項咧，我哋都幫助到長者啦，係啦，咁過往我哋幾年都有支持長者嘅服務嘅，咁啊今年當然我哋仲會加埋咧就一啲 SEN 特殊教育需要少年人啊、青少年啊、小朋友啊，我都希望能夠幫到佢哋咁咯。
好有意義喎
！Hello， 我係水妹 Aqua， 我係細比，我係 Bora。請支持大帽山之美，支持長者服務，支持特殊教育需要服務。
Hello， 我係 Amy。Hello，
我係 Alan。Hello，
我係 Ankie。Hello， 我係 Iris。請大家支持大帽山之美，支持長者服務，支持SEN 學童服務。